Yep.
Ah, he's trying to get it off.
No!
You killed it. You killed it. No, now you killed it. You think I do this for fun, Drag? No, I do this for you. Oh, your head.
Does he hate it?